In this video, I will review the process for making assignments and managing employee availability in the labor scheduling template for Microsoft Excel basic version. We are currently looking at the assignments sheet, which is accessible from the ribbon bar by going to the Staffing Assignments group and selecting the Assignments button. The assignments sheet is divided into several areas. On the left-hand side, we have a list of our employees and their roles. This list can be sorted by name or sorted by role by selecting the buttons at the top of the list. In the central section, we have the assignments for our employees, starting on the left with Sunday, running through Saturday on the right. You will notice that for each day there is a from time and a to time for the assignment. On the right, we have the total hours that the employee has been assigned, and these are color-coded. When an employee has been assigned the minimum number of hours that we committed to them, their total hours will be colored green. When they fall below this limit, their total hours will be colored in blue. Making an assignment is straightforward. If we wish to assign the cashier Rick Horn to work on Monday, we simply go to the cell for Monday from time for Rick Horn, select the drop-down, and we are presented with a list of times that he can start work. This list is based on the operating hours that you have established for your business on Monday. Let's start Rick at 9 a.m. We can then set the end time for his assignment by moving to the adjacent cell, and let's have him work until 2 p.m. Now, very often employees have limitations on their availability or preferences on when they would like to work. It's important when building a schedule that we respect these. We manage employee availability on the availability sheet, which is accessible from the Staffing Assignments group in the ribbon bar by selecting the Availability button. As you will see, the availability sheet is formatted in a very similar way to the assignments sheet, with a list of employees on the left and the days of the week across the top. At present, there are no entries on the availability sheet, which indicates that all of our employees are available to work at any time. Let's make a change to that. Let's say, for example, Bill Durham, the cashier, is not available to work on Monday. We go to the cell for Bill Durham on Monday, and we can select that he is unavailable. This marks that Bill will not be assignable at any point of the day on Monday. Let's make another change as well. Let's say that Jason Keller, also a cashier, is only available between 10 and noon. So we now have two limitations on the way we can assign our employees on Monday. Returning to the assignments sheet, if we want to make an assignment for Bill Durham, we will see that he is no longer available. If we wish to make an assignment for Jason Keller, we will see that he is only available from 10 until noon. Now, another scenario can arise. What happens if we have already made an assignment, for example the assignment we made for Rick Horn, and the availability is subsequently changed? Let's try that out. Let's say that Rick Horn is also unavailable on Monday. We'll return to the assignments sheet, and you will see that Rick Horn's assignment on Monday has been flagged, and the employee is marked as not being available at this time. This can be corrected either by changing the availability or by changing the assignment, whichever may be appropriate. This completes the review of the assignment and availability maintenance functions of the labour scheduling template for Microsoft Excel, basic version.